Take my belt off and
come on, man. Look at man, come on, man. Look, chill. Look. You tripping
on the freeway. I'm tripping hard. Darnell, I will crash this car right now. Say I won't. Damn, baby stinks. Change him.
Oh, you dead. What are you doing?
Darnell, put him in there. Don't turn my radio up.
What I just say, man? Look, I ain't gonna tell your ass again. God.
Do you have your license? Got a permit, nigga, and you 26.
Okay, so what?
I'll turn that down. You know he don't even need to listen to that.
What's wrong with you? Don't touch that.
No, we need some gas. We're on E. What we gonna do?
You gonna walk in and pay on the park.
That's your problem, Darnell. You never got money, bro. Ooh!
It's not even hit me, bro. Like, you always
in the car, Darnell. Close the door. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on, or we're not moving this car. You're sorry. You're lousy. You're lousy. You're lousy. My fault. Not drive. Don't put your head down.
You always doing that.
Are you done?
Hey, why are you gonna take somebody in front of my face? You drive me out. You might go talk to somebody else.
Watch out.